Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about cybersecurity for IoT. Now you're wondering, what is IoT? IoT stands for Internet of Things. You may not have come across this jargon, but I'm pretty sure that you have used gadgets that make up IoT or Internet of Things. Now let's see some examples of IoT. First example I have here is wearable gadgets. You may have a smart watch that tracks your daily activity and provides you health monitor. Second common example is smart home. In smart home, you can monitor security cameras and sometimes even switch lights on and off using an app on the phone. Another one I have here is connected car. Nowadays, many cars come with built-in Wi-Fi and you can use the car's monitor to connect to your social media and check messages, or use an app on the phone to lock and unlock your car. These are all some of the common examples that we see nowadays which make up Internet of Things. IoT technology makes these gadgets extremely user-friendly. Unfortunately, they also come with their fair share of cybersecurity challenges. When we talk about cybersecurity, we typically talk about security on our phones and on our computers. We do not talk about security on these IoT devices, making these gadgets high-frequency targets for cyber attacks. Let us see some examples of these issues. The first example I have here is regarding data sharing with third party. We have seen that smartwatches share your personal information such as your location and your activity with the third party. This data is not protected. Hackers can see activity patterns based on this. Criminals can learn private information up to your ATM numbers based on the data from motion sensor technology. Second example I have here is lack of security on the device. You have heard about hacked security cameras in smart homes. Lack of basic encryption and secure login practices can make these cameras security vulnerable and hacked by the criminals. The third example I have here is lack of security in communication. In smart cars, the vehicles are equipped with their own cell phone connection and Wi-Fi hotspots. Criminals have known to hack and control the car remotely using these connections. Can you imagine your wiper starting and radio volume changing while you're driving on a highway? It's really scary, but there have been instances where such hacking has happened. Let us see some of the basic tips to steer clear from the cyber attacks on these IoT gadgets. First one I have here is, before buying the product, please review the brand. Make sure that it is a reputed brand, it's used widely, and the device is secured. Second one is, review their privacy policy and make sure that your data is secured. Another one is, when you install the gadget at home or an app on the phone, make sure that you change the default password. Use your own strong password. Please refer to another video that I have published in this series regarding creating your own strong password. It is important that the gadgets have strong passwords. Last but not the least is disabling unwanted features. Understand all features that the gadget comes with and disable the ones that you are not going to use. Because more times than not, features you are not using is sharing your data with third party without your knowledge. So disable unwanted features. Thank you for watching this video. This video series provides cybersecurity tips for everyone, including those who are not familiar with technology. If you like this video, hit the like button, and your feedback is most welcome in the comment section. Thank you.